Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is another green candle and average yung volume. Kung makikita natin sa volume is palaki ng palaki. So trying to gain momentum na yung buyers. And the good news is after niya ma-break yung falling wedge natin, confirm na meron ng sumasalo dito, confirm na mga green candle. And what we expect sa ganitong scenario, good news is meron na tayong first low and first higher low. So BTC is trying to gain momentum na sa buyers. So what we expect is the moment na i-continue ni BTC yung paggawa ng mga higher low and without breaking this trend line resistance, this previous higher low, possible continuation lang ng uptrend momentum yung mangyayari. But the moment yung